Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video, and today in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to get your IP in 2020, so you know what your IP is on any device. The same thing works on Macs and iOS, and I'm doing it on Windows. But before we get into that, go down there, like and subscribe. I'll give you 10 seconds to do it. 10. Well, that's been around 10 seconds, guys. You should have done it by now. You really should have done it by now. Anyway, guys, let's get into it. So first, you want to go down here in this search bar. You want to type in CMD, which stands for command prompt, and then you want to click this or run as administrator, and it'll show if you're the host or not. But if you click run as administrator, this will pop up. You just want to click yes, because it can make changes to your device. Then you have this set up. Now, what you want to do here, this is basically the commands of the computer. You want to type in ipconfig, and make sure you get that exactly ipconfig. You want to just hit enter. Okay guys, so after you click enter, you'll get all of this, and I've just got the snipping tool up here so you guys can't see my information, but it will say Windows IP configuration, Ethernet adapter, Ethernet, and then it will give you all of this stuff. Now what you want to go to is not this top one, not the second one, the third one down, and then along these dots, over here, behind, you won't have this up obviously, but behind this will be your IP address. Now, this will be your IP for this computer, and yeah, guys, that's just the video. Okay, guys, hope that you enjoyed. Hope that helped you out. I know for a fact a lot of people are looking up what is my IP and everything. So this is how you find it, and it's quite simple. There's other ways to do it. Like you can hit Control R and then type in CMD, and then command comes up. But that's not as host at all. So yeah, guys, hope you enjoyed. Make sure to go down there, like and subscribe if this helped you out, and I'll see you in the next one.